When you think about boosting the value of your home, upgrades like kitchen remodels or bathroom renovations often come to mind. However, one of the most effective yet often overlooked ways to increase your Talladega home's value is through window replacement. New windows not only improve the appearance of your property but also bring lasting benefits that make your home more appealing to buyers and more comfortable for your family. Enhancing curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your home's exterior is the first thing potential buyers notice. Old, worn-out windows can make even a well-kept home look dated. On the other hand, sleek new windows instantly refresh your home's facade, creating a polished and modern look. Whether you opt for classic double-hung windows, stylish bay windows, or energy-efficient vinyl options, upgraded windows give your Talladega property the curb appeal it needs to stand out in a competitive housing market. Boosting energy efficiency. Talladega experiences hot summers and chilly winters, making energy efficiency a top priority for local homeowners. Outdated windows often allow air leaks that increase utility bills and strain heating and cooling systems. Replacing them with energy-efficient models, such as double or triple pane windows with low E coatings, can significantly reduce energy loss. Buyers today are more environmentally conscious and cost-aware than ever. Highlighting lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint makes your home even more attractive when it's time to sell. In fact, energy-efficient upgrades often rank among the top features buyers look for in a new home. Increasing comfort and functionality. Beyond savings, modern windows improve everyday living. They reduce drafts, minimize outside noise, and allow for better natural light. With new windows, your home becomes a quieter, cozier, and brighter space, qualities that prospective buyers will notice right away. In Talladega, where seasonal weather changes can be unpredictable, homeowners also appreciate the durability and weather resistance of new windows. A more comfortable living environment directly translates into a higher perceived value for your property. Improving security and safety. Safety is another selling point. Older windows may have faulty locks or frames that are easy to force open, raising concerns for families. New windows, however, are designed with advanced locking systems and durable materials to offer better security. Additionally, many modern windows are easier to operate, providing safer escape routes in emergencies. For buyers, peace of mind is priceless, and this added layer of safety makes your home more appealing. Offering a strong return on investment. According to industry reports, homeowners can recoup a large portion of their investment in window replacement when selling their property. While exact figures vary, it's common to recover around 70 to 80% of the cost, making it one of the most financially rewarding upgrades you can choose. For Talladega homeowners, this means you're not only improving your home for your family's comfort and efficiency but also making a smart financial decision for the future. Tailoring windows to local style. Every region has its own architectural charm, and Talladega is no exception. Whether your home has a classic southern design, a cozy bungalow feel, or a modern aesthetic, there are window options to complement it. Customized choices in frame color, style, and materials allow you to enhance your home's unique character while still reaping the functional benefits of window replacement. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows may not sound as glamorous as a new kitchen or landscaping project, but its impact on your home's value, comfort, and appeal is undeniable. From boosting curb appeal and lowering energy costs to enhancing safety and functionality, window replacement is a powerful way to make your Talladega home more desirable. If you're considering upgrades that deliver real returns, new windows are a smart place to start. Not only will you enjoy a more beautiful and efficient home today, but you'll also position your property for maximum value when it's time to sell.